My name is Marcus Banton, and today I'll be presenting on Module 1, Specific Objective 7 of the CAPE IT syllabus. Now it says you must discuss the various types of information sources. Before we do that, let's first establish a definition for information sources. Now, information sources is anything that provides information or knowledge to a person. Now, the various types of information sources are as follows: books, magazines, websites, journals, blogs, wikis, DVDs, CDs, etc. Now, first we'll be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of each. Now, advantages and disadvantages of a book are: advantages, they give a thorough overview of a specific topic. Next, they are usually quality checked by a publisher before being released on the market. They are usually well researched, and it also includes reference to other sources you can get information from. Now, disadvantages, it takes a long time to publish a book, and so the date at which you decide to write that book, it takes a long time. It might take 3 years, and so after 3 years, that information you plan to publish in the book will become outdated, and a level of bias tends to exist on the author's level. Next, advantages for websites. It gives quick access to information at the touch of a button using a computer or any smartphone device. It can be kept up to date easily than books. Disadvantages: no quality check is carried out on a web page, so it's hard to tell if information is reliable, credible or not. Because information is not reliable most of the time, it does not live up to academic standards. Because of the large amount of information available on a web page, it tends to be hard to tell apart which one is correct and which one is incorrect. Now, newspapers. Advantages of newspapers: they give up-to-date coverage of news events that take place daily. They can include reliable information as well as some facts and figures and events. Disadvantages now: it can be biased and unreliable. Next, may be influenced by political loyalties. So let's say the Gleaner Company supports the Jamaica Labour Party. Now, in election time, the Gleaner Company might publish discriminating remarks about the PMP in order to show support for the PMP, which is its main support party. Next, electronic databases. Advantages of electronic databases are: more than one person can access the database simultaneously without any problem at all. Next, it eliminates the need for offline databases, which can be hard to access. And online databases are databases that exist on the computer that are not available on the internet. And because they are on the computer, you have to have permission to access the computer in order to get the information. Now, disadvantages: hosting a database online takes a more complex server than companies would plan to take up. So you have to purchase databases that are very large and take up spaces. And along with the complex databases come along costs of operating these database servers. DVD. Advantages are: they are more faster than other optical discs, they are more advanced, they provide a larger amount of storage space. Disadvantages: it's the price to purchase a DVD player can be very expensive, A DVD itself is expensive as well. Blog, no, blog is a discussion or informational site published on the website or World Wide Web or internet, consisting of discrete entries by persons giving information or opinion on a specific topic. Now the advantages are they are free to set up, don't require you to have extensive computer knowledge. Disadvantages: persons tend to infringe on persons' private life, so they might end up just blogging about people's life that are not necessary. I'm almost out of time. Next is wikis. Wikis are a website which allows users to add, modify, or delete content or information. Now the advantages are it's easy to use and has a step-by-step technology guide in order for you to use it. Students are able to develop communication skills within class using the computer. So wikis tend to have tend to have online classes as well. Disadvantages: anyone can change the data of in a wiki database. Students become easily distracted and use the computers for purposes other than learning purposes. So because they are not monitored, they tend to stray away. Now I'm out of time, but I'll give you one more. I give you dictionaries. Now advantages of dictionaries are they aid understanding of terms and concepts. So they have the pronunciation of words, they have the meaning, they have the origin, they have all of that. Disadvantages: do not give detailed information on topic. So you're looking up on a specific word, only thing you'll find is what is in it. It will not tell you anything more than that. So that's it from me. Thank you very much. And now I'm out of time. I hope you enjoyed the video presentation and it was very informative. Thank you. Bye bye.